out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is some new crochet hair that I have never tried before. This hair is from YWigs, and it is a type of crochet that I'm excited to try. It's human hair crochet. It's wavy, curly, and yeah, it has this really interesting like structure and setup. So it'll be something new and different. So if you're excited to try out to see how this works out, then definitely keep on watching. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Make sure you like, share, and comment. All that good stuff helps me with this crazy YouTube algorithm. The hair, again, it's from YWigs. Thank you so much, YWigs, for sponsoring this video and sending over this hair. So, oh look, they sent some clips, a little package for me to do my hair, and I will absolutely be using this. Looks like we have 3 bundles of hair. We have crochet human hair, 20-inch natural color. So it's in a natural black, and the hair is water wave texture. Okay, so it looks like each package has 2 bundles. So total, I have 6 bundles of hair. I don't know, I'm trying to take this off carefully because again, this is human hair. So I'm like, if I do this right, maybe I can use it more than once if I like install it well and wash it and keep it, you know, conditioned and nice. Maybe I can use it more than once. I don't know, I've never tried human hair crochet. Okay, so here's a strand. Looks like we got a good deal of strands here. I don't know how many. 21, 22, 23. So about 30 strands. I didn't count perfectly, but it looks like it's about 30 strands per bundle, and you get 6 bundles. There's a string here. It's a cotton string. It reminds me very much of weaving thread. When you do a sewing, the thread looks a lot like a sewing thread. And in terms of the length of it, it looks like it's about 1 inch or 1.5 inches in length, which I feel like maybe a little long, honestly. I don't think the thread needs to be this long. I think it would need to be shorter, but that's just my idea. And then it looks like the hair is kind of like wound and spun together on each end. So it looks like the hair is like spun together so that it's stable and the human hair won't pull out of this binding that's here. But anyway, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and jump into this install. I'm going to braid my hair down. I'm going to install the hair, and then I will come back at the end with my final thoughts. So just wanted to describe what I'm doing a little bit here. I did a very thin area of leave out just around my hairline to cover any of the knots or anything like that, just to make it look a little more natural. And then I did 2 large braids across the nape of my neck in the back of my head, so I didn't create too much tension in the back of my neck. And then I did 3 braids on either side, just at the front of my head, at the crown. And then I just did 3 large braids in the back. So if you're braid challenged or cornrow challenged, this braid pattern is really simple, really easy, and very fast. If you're not an excellent braider, this one is very easy to get. All right, so I used the crochet hook to kind of hook the ends of the braids in, and then I also used some bobby pins to like hold them down. And then if you don't want to use bobby pins, you could use a needle and thread. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the first piece and see how this looks. Okay, so we attached it. It's on there. Okay, so you only have to do it one time. It's pretty well stuck. I guess that's why they use a cotton thread, because it's a little more sticky. It's not like super slippery like a nylon thread. So this is what it looks like. You can see a little bit of the thread on this end, but this end looks like it's like really right up to my hairline, my actual hair. So actually it looks like it's pretty decent. You can't really tell that string is not super obvious. I will come back when I get closer to the front. So just to give a little bit of a review on this hair, the hair itself is absolutely beautiful. It's lightweight, it has a beautiful curl pattern. I think this human hair crochet is a wonderful idea and I like working with it. It's very easy to work with. Again, very lightweight and high quality hair. I love YWigs for their quality of hair, and so this definitely did not disappoint. The density for me could be a little higher, so I definitely used almost all of the bundles. I think I ended up using 5 out of the 6, and then when there were sparse areas, I went back and filled in places that needed to be a little more full. So to make my parting space look a little more natural at the front, I just grabbed a few pieces off of that last bundle that I didn't use. Just trimmed off that thing that was kind of holding the hair together. Just trimmed that little piece off, and then just you know, took small pieces of the hair and just filled it in around my parting space and my hairline, just to take away that harsh line where you see those knots really strongly. I just put really thin pieces and then just frayed them off with a edge control brush. Anything that can just kind of tease them out and make that hair look a little more frizzy and just give you a little more coverage for those knots at the front. So after completing the whole left side, you can kind of see the difference where the hairline on the left is very blended and very kind of like masked, and then the other side you can kind of see the knots pretty strongly. So the more pieces you add in, the more blended it will be. So I went ahead and did the right side off camera. And of course, my secret weapon to making my crochet look very natural. This is no different. Always trim face framing layers, always trim layers all throughout, and always trim the bottom of the crochet as well to give a nice you know, haircut look. I feel like that's what makes crochets look really natural. So to me, this crochet style is really given like sew-in, and it looks very much like you know, sew-in or a U-part wig or something like that. It just looks really good, and I know the older it gets, the better it's gonna look. I'm trying my best to take care of this hair. I'm still wearing it now because I feel like if I really take good care of this and take it out properly, I can install this hair again. So I would definitely say this hair is a great investment if you're interested in something that, you know, crochet that's high quality that will last you. I think this is a great idea. Here's the finished product of the left side. You can see the haircut gives you a nice face frame look. It makes the hair look really light, really airy. The other side just looks like long and dragging your face down. So make sure you trim your hair up really nicely. And I went ahead and did the right side off camera. So I did some really light makeup, and my 2-year-old baby girl helped me to do my makeup. What you guys think? I think she slayed. So I just did a natural makeup. I haven't been wearing many lashes lately, so this is my look without lashes. I went ahead and took the leave out, and you can see it was such a small amount. It blends really easily, and this is pretty much the end look. I didn't do a bunch of versatile parts and things like that. So this one is pretty much going to be worn as a middle part, and I'm also going to wear it up in a ponytail. And I just love how this hair came out. It's so full, it's so beautiful, and I didn't even use all 6 bundles. I ended up using 5 bundles, and this is how full it was. So if you want it thicker, you definitely have enough to get an even more full look. But I love the density of this. Now this is human hair. You can wash it, condition it, blow dry it, bleach it, color it, dye it. I just think it's great, and I love YWigs. I would definitely say check them out. Information on this hair will be in the description box down below, as well as the pinned comment in the comment section. Ask me any questions. Make sure you share, like, and follow, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.